Hey, what's going on, guys? Sorry, I had to replace the memory card from the camera, and the problem is that for some reason the other memory card was failing. So hopefully not, but hopefully I didn't lose all the recording from earlier. So this is a water heater, 75-gallon power vent.
Mira, lo voy a hacer aquí así.
Old water heater.
Okay.
Okay, perfecto. So that's the new 1-inch ball valve toe press. Listo. Aquí. ¿Cómo estuvieron?
No, hoy la vamos a hacer.
Oh.
Bueno, las va a hacer bien.
Ya ves.
El otro me quiso chingar.
Oh.
Y lo salí chingando.
¿Y eso por qué?
Okay.
So that's the fan. That's the old one.
Así. Así más o menos, sí. Ahí está más o menos. Se pone la T, 1.90 y listo.
Alright, so we got the new water heater inside, and now we're gonna start connecting all the water, the gas, ventilation. Yeah, I think ventilation we're gonna have to repipe that as well, because this is not the same as the older one. So that's how the new one looks. Alright, now I got the gas line connected to the gas valve.
Vamos a tener que ir por...
Si quieres, mejor bájalo. Conéctate un poco más para abajo y así. Sí, porque no lo pones aquí, es muy pesado, ¿no? Alright, so expansion tank it's installed already. We're almost done repiping the water supply. New shut-off valve. They used to have 3/4. We put a 1-inch shut-off valve. Just a little bit of information. The old water heater was about 17 years old, and it was shutting off all the time. So the customers just decided to replace it for a new one. 17 years for a water heater is pretty good. So just a quick reminder, we are based in Skokie, Illinois. We also serve the beautiful city of Chicago. So if you guys need any help with your sewer drain or plumbing, let us know. And for this job, we are using Pro Press fittings. Definitely makes your life a lot easier. Mejor, ¿verdad? Que está soldando, ¿verdad?
Mucho mejor.
So guys, at this moment we opened the water supply to the house. The water heater is full now, and now we're trying to get all the air out of the pipes. Really good pressure. Like I said, we installed the expansion tank. We're actually gonna put maybe something here just to kind of help support it. We're gonna work on the ventilation in a few minutes. We have our sticker there, date of installation, next service, which is next year, the 2022. For us, we have a special. If we installed a new water heater for service, it's free.
One is 390.
No, pero no creo que vamos a poner en
Sí.
Pues ahí casi, ¿eh? A ver, posiblemente. Alright, so at this moment, the water heater is on, warming up.
Checamos aquí.
Perfect.
¿Lo fijaste bien?
Sí. No huele a gas.
No huele nada.
We check, no leaks. Hay que ponerle aquí. Alright everybody, so that's it for this video. Hopefully you guys had enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share the video. There's gonna be a lot more videos coming. And just remember, plumbing ain't going nowhere. See you soon on the next video, guys.